NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Question 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Answer. We are given that angle A and angle B are acute angles, and cos A is equal to cos B, and we have to show that angle A is equal to angle B. Now let us recall the definition of acute angle. An acute angle lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So 0 degrees less than A less than 90 degrees, and 0 degrees less than B less than 90 degrees. A is an acute angle and B is an acute angle. Now let us use the key property of cos in the acute range. On the interval 0 to 90 degrees, the cosine function is 1 to 1. It gives a different value for each different acute angle. In simple words, if two acute angles have the same cosine value, then the angles must be equal. We are given cos A is equal to cos B. Since both A and B are acute, cosine cannot take the same value for two different angles in this range. Therefore, the only possibility is A is equal to B. You have to note that the condition acute matters because outside the acute range, cosine can repeat values. For example, cos 60 degrees is equal to cos 300 degrees, but 60 degrees is not equal to 300 degrees. In acute angles 0 to 90 degrees, this kind of repetition does not happen. So, equality of cosines forces equality of angles.